Hey there, this is Anna with Travel Tuna, and today Rick and I are on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander out of Tampa, and I would like to show you this wonderful room, 6223. Make sure to stay to the end to check out those pros and cons and travel to.
It's weekend. Mhm.
Hey there, Anna, and this is Travel Tuda. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do the room tour of 6223 on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander out of Tampa. And I want to give you some information first. This was originally a Costa ship. I'm looking at some notes. This was the Costa Atlantica built in the year 2000. It was sold to Margaritaville at Sea in 2024. So it is not that old with these refurbishments, and they are cute. I look forward to doing the full ship tour and just showing you all the fun stuff. Am I giving you some pros right now? I better not. So what's really cool about this one that you're going to get is I was definitely a Jimmy Buffett fan all my life growing up, and Rick pretty much knows nothing about him. Oh, all these things and everything around the ship. It's just funny because you'll be able to see it from both sides, maybe Jimmy Buffett fans and not. I know you want to see that room and get going, but I wanted to tell you a little bit more info here. This has 12 decks. The pool and most things are on 9. And the ship can accommodate 2,650 passengers on 12 decks, and there are 1,100 staterooms. What was really cool about the embarkation is this is the earliest we have ever been to a ship. We were able to board the ship at 10 a.m. We parked off site and took a quick shuttle to the cruise port. The person that brought us said that the majority of the people are off by 9 a.m. and they can start getting the new people on by 10 a.m. It's the quickest ever. And it's crazy that we're on here so early. The dining doesn't open until 11, but you're able to get on and you can tour the ship. The bars are. We were able to get in our room today about 1. They say 1 to 1:30, and they'll make an announcement. There are a couple different things. So you are given your ship card at the port before you get on the ship. It's not at your door, and it is a swipe entry. The other thing that is really good to note is they don't have a app. You do have to get a paper schedule from guest relations, and then you'll be able to see everything that's going on. One thing that I'd really like to do today, and I do suggest, is there is a ship tour at 2 p.m. So I'm pretty excited about that. I don't know if it's behind the scenes or not. Right now, let's go ahead and get started on our tour. These are our fun little key cards here with Margaritaville at Sea. You go ahead and input that for opening. The really good thing is our luggage is already here. This embarkation has been the best ever. This is my fun little Travel Tuna hat. Do you want to see the room? This is a casino freebie that we got. I used my match on Celebrity and Royal to get the casino perk breezy balcony. We're still in Tampa, so this is the port of Tampa. This is the breezy balcony that they did give us. They also gave us free Wi-Fi and premium boarding. We were able to board at 10 o'clock, like I said. But it's this fun. Look, living on Islander time. It's all beachy. Fun things. Welcome to Islander, Margaritaville at Sea. Now I'm going to give you more of the tour. Let's go ahead and start with the bathroom. There is a dreaded shower curtain. I'm hoping that it is not going to stick. It is nice that they do have a body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. They do have a clothesline and a removable shower head. It says big shower. Some fun art. We did go ahead and bleach wipe everything down because I am still dealing with that fun little cancer thing. You have a nice big sink there. You've got shelves on both sides. They do give you some makeup towels there. Kleenex, which is good. Got a couple little hidey holes down there. Nice, good-sized bathroom. I do have some hooks there. I have my little hat. These are your musters. They do not have e-muster. So you do have to go to your muster station at 3:30 p.m. Everybody has to go at the same time, so it's not the check-in. There are some life jackets, hangers. I've already got some stuff in there. Here is another closet. More life jackets. The safe. There's a shelf, and Rick has his bag in there. And there's a full-length mirror. You've got the fun flip-flops up there. So what is this? In the comments, let me know your thoughts. I'm going to put some multiple choices in there. Is this a motion detector? Is this a camera? Is this a light switch? Give me your thoughts, or is it other? Let me. And then you do have a European outlet and one American outlet. I want to show you our charging setup. This is how we do it. We have this cool little cube, and I will put a link to that so that you can check that out. It is awesome. It's got the USB ports. It's got the USB-C. It can actually plug into that European outlet. It also has other outlets too. So you are never without anywhere in the world. This is the phone directory. They give you a pencil and paper. I did find out about the room service breakfast. This menu, you leave it out before 2 a.m. You can only have 2 times to choose, 7 or 8. And then these numbers, besides the items, those are the cost. You can get juices and beverages for free delivered. And then, of course, I will tip them. This is the schedule. It does talk about Wi-Fi. It also talks about the different youth programs, the chill package, sail away party. We are going to sail away under the Sunshine Bridge, so we got to check that out. So, oh, that one has more over. That's annoying. You can see what's open. You can also see the schedule. I saw that they have a mosaic glass class, which I will probably take advantage of. Here, you've got a hair dryer, drawers. There's a couple more drawers. And everything was very clean. You've got a stool, not a chair. We bleached everything down of all the handles. This is a little refrigerator. And then you've got another little shelves here. What's nice is they do give you an ice bucket. I like the ice. There is water if you want to pay for that. Good size TV. Sure this comes, oh, maybe it doesn't come out. Oh, no, it's just straight. That doesn't move. All right, you got the nice big bed. There are USB outlets and C, USB regular and C. That's your light. Under the bed, you do have room for your luggage. And then it looks like, oh, that must be the outdoor button. Over here, you have the same thing on your lamp. You've got the regular and the USB-C. So that is very good. Then the balcony does lock. Do not lock your husband out. Locks here too. And it does control the temperature in your cabin. So be careful with that. You do have a couple of cute little chairs and a table. We'll come in and get a last look. Now it's time for pros, cons, go.
I love this room. This room was a great room, and I'll tell you why. You know that we've been doing inside cabins as well as down in the bowels of the ship, and this one has a balcony.
Yeah.
but it's totally redesigned, redecorated.
A
everything.
breezy balcony.
A breezy balcony. Love the breezy balcony. And the biggest thing, and I know this is a little small thing, but I think more cruise ships should have this. Each lamp next to the side of your bed has a USB-C and a USB port. So
Yeah.
you can totally have your sleep music on or charge your phone at night or do whatever you do, keeping your phone close. I haven't seen that in a lot of...
We have it in our short-term rentals.
Yes, of course we do.
We do.
But I don't see it on cruise ships. And I'm surprised by that.
Right, and the lamps are not expensive.
They're not. Now, so yeah, that was my big highlight. What about you?
First off, I love that they gave us this room for free. Nice little touch there. We only had to pay port fees and taxes. I love the theme they have here. I was a parrot head back in the day, and Rick was not, so he doesn't know a lot about it. But I love they've got flip-flops on the mirror, flip-flops on the door to the outside. They have parrots on the duvet cover, and they've got fun pillows, and it's just so fun. They have license to chill, and I believe I will, little sayings over. So it's just so fun and positive. I love that.
They've done a nice job. Now, did you happen to notice, because I made a mention of this on a previous video, how their bed is a school?
Square bed. I'm looking at it. Right?
Now, again, not a big deal, but I noticed this. And there's plenty of room because this was an older.
It was built in 2000.
It's a very spacious cabin.
Yes.
And I guess my only slight con would be that it has the old style shower curtains.
I don't mind shower curtains as long as they're not blowing in and sticking to me. And this was not. It was a large shower that would accommodate most people, and it did not stick.
Right.
It was nice. I love the shower head. It was great pressure, and it was wonderful.
And we did not have a overflowing toilet.
That video, if you'd like to hear about that.
It was awesome. They did a nice job redecorating this cabin, and kudos to Margaritaville, because I went into this not having high expectations, to be honest with you. Not a parrot head, but the room was great. The room was really great.
Sorry, my eyes are watering from this fun little cancer thing that I have going on. Whatever.
I know, I make her emotional. My curved mattress.
Or not.
I'm sad that the mattress is not curved.
The bed was
Oh, the
brilliant.
bed is great. The bed is great.
I like the pillows. I was happy. We had great room stewards. Kudos.
Yes, Adi did an awesome job.
Yeah.
He had such a wonderful smile. The employees here are all very happy. That's nice. He did a wonderful job. Yes.
Plenty of storage for two people.
Right. Did you have any cons?
Just shower curtains.
Oh, okay.
It was-
So my only con was there was no nightlight in the bathroom. But I always bring a nightlight with us, and I'll show it to you right here. We'll put the link down below if you'd like to get it on Amazon. As I was saying, there is not a nightlight in the bathroom. We bring our own nightlight that is motion activated so that when I get up to go to the bathroom all these times in the middle of the night, that I do not fall. I will leave a link to this in the comments and you can check it out. I like this one because it's not that bright. It's bright enough to go to the restroom in the middle of the night, but it's not too bright. We had one previously that was too bright and I did not like that one.
Did you notice a smaller width door entering the cabin?
Yes, all the doors seem to be really tiny. 24 inches maybe.
And when it's tinier, you have less leverage to open it. So it was harder to open just because it's a narrower opening. And so you don't have as much leverage to be able to push on the outside. It was just one of those observations that the door was a little bit narrow.
I would say one more con.
What is that?
My coffee. This is a really bougie con because I like my coffee delivery every morning. I love that, actually. They were early every day. Plus, the latest you could get coffee delivery was between 8 and 8:30. And on this cancer journey, that's pretty early. I normally don't like to get out of bed until 9 or so now, which is crazy. I was never like that. But they have come early every single day.
15 minutes before 8 o'clock.
It's early. So I would get the cup, or Rick would get the coffee, and then I'd go back to bed. Yeah. All right, we have to end on a positive note. So what else is positive?
On this room? I'll go back to the room steward. Room steward was fantastic.
Yeah, he did a wonderful
He
job.
did. We give him a short list at the very beginning.
Robe, 2 blankets, and ice.
Yep. And each one, it was punched immediately on that first
Yep.
day, and we had ice every night.
The ice buckets are big.
Yeah, they're nice and giant.
Nice and big, really. One of the things that I love with the ice is it's actually more filtered even than the regular water. And I know that because we have a 0 water filter at home, and the ice is always more filtered. So when the ice melts, I have filtered. That is a wonderful positive. Also, the balcony, I loved the balcony. The balcony was a very nice, breezy balcony. That's what they call it. It was great. I just love sitting there watching the water. All right. Glad you were able to stick with us to the end, and hope that someday you can travel with us and travel to Tuna.